Good morning. Welcome to the last topic of the first unit, which is the organizational behavioral frameworks or theoretical frameworks of organizational behavior. In this particular topic, we are going to see the three important frameworks, which is the cognitive, behavioristic, and social cognitive frameworks. The theories can be classified into four major types, which is the cognitive theory, behavioristic theory, social learning theory, and social cognitive theory. Under the behavioristic theories, we are going to see classical conditioning theory and operant conditioning theory. So what is cognitive framework? So cognitive framework takes into consideration that behavior is an unit of analysis and behavior is purposeful, that is directed towards a particular goal. Cognitive learning comprises of the relationship between the cognitive environmental cues and expectations. So in this experiment, we will see about how animals learn to expect a certain event to follow another, and how animal behavior is highly modified or can be manipulated based on the various cues that are given to the particular animal. In the behavioristic theory, we are going to talk about the work of Ivan Pavlov and John Watson. So if you're going to see the classical conditioning theory, which is formulated based on the stimulus response explanation with the help of a dog, we are going to see or condition a particular dog, and we are going to understand the behavior of the dog before conditioning and after conditioning. Then we are going to talk about operant conditioning theory, which is explained by B.F. Skinner. So according to B.F. Skinner, the stimulus response approach helps us in understanding the physical reflexes. So Skinner says that classical conditioning only explains reflexive behaviors, but not the other behavior. So therefore, he tries to ensure that behavior is a function of consequences, not like classical conditioning, which is based upon stimuli. So in the case of operant conditioning, it is response, stimulus, RS reaction, whereas in the case of classical conditioning, it is SR reaction. Followed by, we will talk about the social learning theory. Every individual learns by looking or observing or learning from others around him or her. So we learn a lot based on what is happening in our surroundings or to us. So the social learning agrees with both classical and operant conditioning, and it is helped to model or control a particular individual. So the works of social cognition are rendered by Albert Bandura, and this theory goes beyond social learning. So here in social cognitive theory, they identify 5 capabilities that people use to initiate, regulate, and sustain their behavior, which includes symbolizing, forethoughts, modeling, self-regulation, and self-reflection. The social cognitive theory argue that the SR model and to a lesser degree the RS model are 2 mechanistic explanations of humans. Finally, we will be looking at the SOBC model, where the stimuli influences a particular individual, which is an organization, and the organism or the individual results in behavior or action, and every behavior of an individual has positive or negative consequences. So S stands for stimulus, O stands for organism or individual, B stands for behavior and action, and finally C stands for consequences. So this is the framework of organizational behavior that we will be touching upon in this particular topic. We will meet in class. Thank you very much. Bye.